Ever wondered why a well-written conclusion is so crucial in a PhD thesis? It's simple. The conclusion is the grand finale, the curtain call of your thesis. It's where you tie together the threads of your research, your findings and their significance, weaving them into a coherent narrative. It's the place where you reflect on the limitations of your study, an essential step towards maintaining the integrity and credibility of your research. But it doesn't stop there. The conclusion also points towards the horizon by suggesting future research directions. So a well-structured conclusion is not just an end, but a launch pad for future research. Now let's dive into the process of writing a compelling conclusion. Crafting a strong conclusion is like assembling a puzzle. Every piece has its place and purpose, contributing to the complete picture. Firstly, we begin by restating the research problem. This isn't merely a repetition of the problem statement from your introduction. Here you demonstrate how your research has deepened the understanding of this problem, providing a fresh take based on your findings. Next, we summarize the main findings. This is the heart of your conclusion. You encapsulate the essence of your research, highlighting the critical discoveries that your study has unearthed. Remember, clarity and conciseness are your best friends here. Then we discuss the significance of these findings. You're not just stating facts or observations. You're showing how these findings contribute to the existing body of knowledge in your field. You explain how your research fills gaps, confirms, or challenges current theories. Now we address the limitations of your research. No research is perfect, and it's crucial to acknowledge where your study may have fallen short. This could be methodological constraints, limitations in data, or other uncontrolled variables. Finally, we suggest directions for future research. This is your chance to propose where researchers could go next, building on your work. This could be addressing your research's limitations, applying your findings to a different context, or exploring a new question that your study has raised. Imagine you've conducted a study on the effects of a new teaching method on student engagement. Your conclusion might start with restating the problem, the need for innovative teaching methods to enhance engagement. You then summarize your findings, that this new method significantly improved student engagement. You discuss the significance, perhaps indicating that this supports theories about active learning. You acknowledge limitations. Maybe your study was limited to one age group or one subject. Finally, you suggest future research, perhaps studying the method's impact on different age groups or subjects. Remember, each element has a key role in making your conclusion strong, concise, and impactful. Or what have we gleaned from our discussion today? We've understood that a strong conclusion is vital to a well-rounded PhD thesis. It's the grand finale, summarizing your research, findings, and their significance. Crafting a compelling conclusion involves a clear restatement of your research problem, a concise summary of your main findings, a discussion on the significance of these findings, acknowledging the limitations of your research, and suggesting future research directions. So the next time you're drafting your PhD thesis conclusion, remember these steps and make your conclusion a compelling read. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to share it with your fellow researchers. Knowledge is to be spread, and you might just make someone's PhD journey a tad bit smoother. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel. We regularly post insightful videos on academic writing, research, and much more. Your support helps us keep creating content that aids you in your academic journey. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.